Heavy? Wings. Choose a wings, babe. The big one.
Here. Put it down. Next is leg. Put it here. It's okay. Okay, put it here. Same lang yun. Get this. You can add another legs for this.
Add another video.
Put it here.
The same, they're the same.
Another one.
It's not the
Lastly,
same.
the tail.
Alright.
Hold your dragon now. Okay, so now you have to go upstairs for the flyer dragon.
There?
Thank you.
Fly dragon. Oh, before you go like there, you need to build your dragon. Careful ha. Mabigat be. Careful.